Greg. It was only, I think, 5 weeks ago since we last met when we also had the press con. I have some new news to tell you, I guess. Of course, this time, instead of talking about hot dogs, yung hot dog ni Al Jerome last time na pinag-usapan natin, I'm going to talk to you about Century Tuna Flakes in Oil, our mother brand. Century Tuna has been a Filipino favorite through the years. We've been around for a very long time. We are a favorite in terms of taste. Alam naman natin lahat na ang Century Tuna, napakasarap niyan. Yes, no, maybe. I think all of you will agree. And historically, we've had a long heritage of being known for the taste of Century Tuna. Kaya pa nga si Ate Shawi pa nga endorser namin nung araw. Sabi niya, wala nang sasarap pa sa Century Tuna. And we were also endorsed by AGA, also on the platform of taste. And it continued to catapult the success of the Century brand. Si Agot, at even Corina Sanchez, and so many other endorsers were our ambassadors for the taste of Century. But more importantly, we have evolved as a brand and have been known for being a healthy part of the diet. And we brought back AGA, we talked about benefits for the heart through omega-3 and all of that. So through the years, we've been helping Filipinos enjoy, I guess, being healthy and fit through Century Tuna. So we've brought good taste and health together and incorporated these two concepts, powerful concepts, health and healthy lifestyle and good taste into the Century Tuna healthy lifestyle. So we pioneered with Super Buds, and it became more of a household word. And everybody now, when you say Super Buds, it's synonymous with Century Tuna. We've been helping people control their weight, manage their figures through the years, keeping hearts healthy, and even making your skin beautiful. So kita mo si Sam, malakas kumain ng ng Century property. So we believe in being healthy inside out. And we believe in that health starts from within. That's the Century Tuna way. And para hindi naman kayo magsawa, our R&D has been very proactive. We've been coming out with very good flavors to break away, I guess, from because it's consumed almost every day. Good flavors have been coming out. We're also a pioneer in lifestyle marketing. Soon after Super Buds, a lot of other brands in different categories followed the lead of Century in terms of how to bring a brand forward. So we've done that consistently through the years. It's like a retrospect of many of the campaigns that we've run in the past, and creating almost a daily consumption of Century Tuna among our most loyal and even passive users. So we've evolved into new and innovative ways by which you can enjoy tuna. We have paella, we have loaf, we have a spread, and each one has been embraced by consumers and the retailers alike. At the start of this year, we've had a very good year for Century. We came out with a new campaign featuring our powerhouse endorsers, Piolo and Casey, and it helped us communicate to the public how superior our corn tuna product is over competition. Sino sa inyo naniwala dun sa Ready na to Tell All? Ako, paniwala ako dyan. So, Casey and Piolo. Then we came out with the bang. As I said, 5 weeks ago, we were all together when we introduced to you Century Healthy Delicious Hot Dog. And I'm very happy to report that it is a big success. It's a huge success. And all of the retailers are telling us that parating nauubos ang supply sa supermarket because of many consumers buying the product. So through your help, we were able to successfully launch Century Tuna Healthy Delicious Hot Dog. So we've been market leaders for over 30 years. A few weeks ago, we were awarded by Reader's Digest as the Platinum Award as a most trusted brand in the tuna category. And I wanted to share with you, I guess, a few points on what makes it successful. First of all, you have to have a good product. The secret to our magic formula is having a good product, and that's what we can guarantee you with Century Tuna. The platform of health and great taste is secondary. And finally, being able to have credible endorsers who represent the lifestyle that we want to We want consumers to imbibe. And, well, we've been known, I guess, through the years to have very, very credible endorsers. This is what we're going to do tonight. We're going to introduce to you our new endorsers. Sabi nga ni Sam, sino kaya yung mga yun? Ako, talaga, I'm excited to know. Our endorsers have to be very credible and they have to live the lifestyle. For that particular purpose, I'd like to introduce to you our marketing, our senior brand manager for Century Tuna. She's been quarterbacking for the brand for a very long time and has been able to drive the success. I think all of the good campaigns that you've seen that I flashed in 5 minutes, we attribute to a very strong and creative advertising agency, PCNV. I'd like to bring on stage Ms. Jella Gamboa, the Senior Product Manager for Century Tuna. Jella.
Good evening. Thank you for braving the rains kahit malakas yung ulan sa labas at kahit hindi talaga kami pinunta nyo dito. Joke lang. So, we hope that you all had a good dinner. Sir Greg showed you about the bigness of Century Tuna. As he mentioned, we've been in the country for over 30 years and we're very proud of what the brand has achieved through the years. Century Tuna is known for health and also the fitness. And now we also know the Good Body, Superbods Equity to be associated to Century Tuna. So let me show a few slides delving on the product. So as this campaign will show you, Century Tuna Flakes and Oil has the highest level of omega-3. So what is this omega-3? It will give you brain power. So sharing with you some benefits, people with higher levels of fish omega-3 show better brain function. It helps mental performance in the elderly. Kahit mas bata ang crowd ngayon, but for those who are aging a little bit more, omega-3 helps by reducing age-related brain decline, also increasing memory and thinking speed. The omega-3 also gives us a healthy body by lowering blood pressure in people with hypertension. It reduces breast, colon, and prostate cancer. And lastly, it gives us a strong heart. It reduces the risk of irregular heartbeat, improves cardiovascular health, lowers cholesterol, and reduces heart attack and strokes. So these are all internet. We all know that these are attributed to tuna and fish. So without further ado, we'd like to show you the behind the scenes of the latest TV ad we launched last week.